Hey, what is up guys, it is Savannah from Cyber here, back with another video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get crisp, clean audio in Audacity so you can have great voiceovers for all your videos for free.
I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you.
So if you guys do not have Audacity, you can just do a quick Google search of Audacity and you can get it from audacityteam.com. I believe this is the official website for Audacity, or audacityteam.org, and it has all these features. So you just press download Audacity and you can download it. So once you get Audacity, it may look a bit scary at first, but it is quite easy to use. I'm going to show you like the 3 or 4 steps that you can do to make your audio just amazing. So even with a bad mic, you can. So first you can press this big red button or press R, and then, hey, what is up guys? It's Savannah from Cyber here, back with another video, and then press it again, or press the stop button to stop. So let's listen to it right now, and then we can compare it later. R, and then, hey, what is up guys, it's Savannah from Cyber here, back with another video. So you heard how that sounded, and I will compare it like side by side later, but the first thing we're going to need to do is take a little chunk where we're not talking and highlight it. Then I'm going to go to Effect and Noise Reduction. Right now we're going to isolate the background noise to take it out of the rest of the clip. Now we're going to press Get Noise Profile, make sure your noise reduction is on 12 and the sensitivity is on 6 and the noise is on Reduce, not Residue. Press Get Noise Profile. Now press Control A and then press Effect and press Repeat Noise Reduction. This will take out all the background noise. So the next thing we're going to do, some people just stop at noise reduction, but you can make your audio sound still better. Press Effect and press Equalization, I believe. And then press Select Curve Bass Boost first, and then press OK. And now press Effect, Equalization, Select Curve, Treble Boost. Press OK. Now we're going to go to Effect, and press Normalize, and then press OK. So now let's listen to the audio. R. And then, hey, what is up guys, it's Savannah from Cyber here, back with another video. Okay, so that is the before and after, and I will compare them side by side right now. R, and then, hey, what is up guys, it's Savannah from Cyber here, back with another video. R, and then, hey, what is up guys, it's Savannah from Cyber here, back with another video. So if you guys enjoyed the video and you want to see more content like this, make sure you like and subscribe if this helped you with your Audacity at all, and if it made your audio sound overall better. Bye guys!